We're a country that loves our pumpkin. Every year in the U.S., we produce more than 1.6 billion pounds of pumpkin. That's billion, with a B. As a matter of fact, whether we get our pumpkin fix from a latte, a steaming bowl of cream of pumpkin soup, or in our desserts, you can bet it'll be comforting. And if you're craving that comforting taste right now, we have a pumpkin cobbler that's truly irresistible. Let me show you how easy. We start off by combining canned pumpkin with some milk, a bit of melted butter, and a splash of vanilla. After it's mixed, we stir in some basic dry ingredients. When the batter is smooth, we pour it into a baking dish. On top of this goes a mixture of white and brown sugar, tossed with a few chopped pecans. Now we pour some hot water on it. And no, we don't have to stir it before popping it in the oven. Once it's bubbling hot, it's ready to serve with a big scoop of ice cream or with a dollop of whipped cream. Maybe drizzle it with some caramel sauce as a double bonus. So if you're craving pumpkin, now's the time to go online to get our recipe for Pumpkin Pecan Cobbler. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a pumpkin-y way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."